How to install iOS 27 Developer Beta. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection in order to be able to download the iOS 27 Developer Beta, and also ensure that your battery life is sufficient, and if not, then put your iPhone in the charging mode. Now go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and make sure that you are signed in with the Apple account enrolled in Apple's developer program. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then on software update. Here, tap on the beta updates option you see there and then go ahead and select iOS 27 developer beta. Further, you can return to the software update page and then wait for the iOS 27 developer beta update to appear. Now go ahead and download and install the beta update. You might be required to agree to the terms and conditions of the beta update before completing the downloading process, and once you agree to the terms and conditions, simply wait for the download and installation to complete, and after your iPhone restarts, follow any on-screen instructions, and with this, you will have iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone. So this was about how you can install iOS 27 developer beta. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.